Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to solve multi-step equations and inequalities using algebra tiles. Before we begin, we need to remind ourselves that the goal of any equation is to isolate the unknown value, or x. The first thing we are going to do is set up our equation and model the equation using the algebra tiles. The equation we are going to be using is 3x plus 1 is greater than or equal to negative 2. So we are going to draw a T-chart that will represent the two sides of the inequality. On the left side, we are going to use longer tiles to represent x. And since we have 3x, we are going to use 3 long tiles. And we are going to use 1 small cube to represent the 1. Both of these are going to be on the yellow side because they both are positive. On the right side, we are going to use 2 small cubes on the red side to represent the negative 2. Now that we are set up, we have to go back to our original goal of isolating the unknown variable, or x. So, to do that, the first thing we're going to do is undo our plus 1. We are going to do that by adding 1 negative tile to the left side. Since what we do to one side, we must do the other, we are going to add 1 negative tile to the right side. On my left side, my 1 positive and my 1 negative tile form a 0 pair, and they will cancel each other out, leaving me with 3x on the left side. On the right side, we added the 1 negative to the 2 already existing tiles. Since they are not opposites, they do not cancel each other out, so we will now have a negative 3 on the right side. Now, the equation we are left with is 3x is greater than or equal to negative 3. Since we are left with 3x, we are going to have to find a way to find the value of just one of those x's. To do this, we are going to divide those 3 x's into 3 equal groups. And when we are dividing on the left side, we need to do the same thing on the right side. So we're going to divide these into 3 equal groups. 3 divided by 3 is going to give us 1. Negative 3 divided by 3 is going to give us a negative 1. What we find here is that when we do this, all we're left with is x is greater than and equal to negative 1, which would be our final answer. I hope this helped you learn how to solve multi-step inequalities.